For homeowners in Clearwater, upgrading your home doesn't always require a major renovation. Sometimes, something as simple as replacing your doors can provide a noticeable improvement in comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Whether you're dealing with outdated, damaged, or inefficient doors, a door replacement can offer a variety of benefits that enhance your home in ways you might not expect. Here are the top advantages of replacing your doors in Clearwater. Improved energy efficiency. Clearwater's hot and humid climate means that keeping your home cool is a year-round priority. If your current doors are old, warped, or poorly insulated, they may be allowing outside air to seep into your home, putting added strain on your HVAC system. This inefficiency translates to higher energy bills. New doors are designed with advanced materials and technology that offer superior insulation. Fiberglass, steel, and energy-efficient glass doors provide tight seals that prevent air leaks and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. By upgrading your doors, you can significantly reduce energy consumption, keep your home cooler, and save money on your utility bills. Enhanced curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated, faded, or damaged door can detract from your home's overall appearance. By replacing your door with a modern and stylish option, you can instantly boost your home's curb appeal and make a strong first impression. Today's doors come in a wide variety of designs, colors, and materials, allowing you to choose one that complements your home's style. Whether you prefer a classic wooden door, a sleek fiberglass design, or a statement piece with decorative glass, a new door can breathe new life into your home's exterior. Increased security. Your home's security starts at the front door. Older doors, especially those with worn-out locks or weak frames, can pose a significant security risk. Replacing your doors with sturdy, modern options gives you peace of mind knowing that your family and belongings are better protected. Modern doors are built with stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems. Steel and fiberglass doors, for instance, are highly resistant to break-ins. Additionally, you can upgrade to smart locks or multi-point locking systems for an extra layer of security. Reduced maintenance. Older doors often require frequent maintenance, from repainting and sealing to repairing cracks and dents. Over time, these tasks become costly and time-consuming. Modern door materials, such as fiberglass and steel, are designed to be low-maintenance and highly durable. Fiberglass doors resist warping, rotting, and fading, even in Clearwater's humid climate. Steel doors are equally durable and require minimal upkeep. By replacing your doors with high-quality materials, you can enjoy long-lasting beauty and functionality without the hassle of constant maintenance. Better noise reduction. If outside noise is a constant issue in your Clearwater home, replacing your doors can help create a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Modern doors are built with improved insulation and soundproofing materials that block external noise from traffic, neighbors, and other disturbances. By upgrading your doors, you can enjoy a more serene home, free from the distractions of the outside world. Increased home value. A new door is a smart investment that can increase your home's overall value. Prospective buyers pay attention to details like the quality and appearance of a home's doors, and a stylish, secure, and energy-efficient door can make your property stand out in a competitive market. Replacing your front door or patio doors is one of the most cost-effective ways to add value to your home, providing a high return on investment when it comes time to sell. Improved comfort and functionality. The old doors that stick, creak, or are difficult to open and close can be frustrating to deal with on a daily basis. Replacing your doors ensures smooth operation and better functionality. Whether it's a front entry door, patio door, or interior door, a high-quality replacement improves your home's convenience and comfort. In Clearwater, where heavy humidity can affect door performance, modern doors are designed to resist swelling and warping, ensuring reliable use for years to come. Upgrade your Clearwater home with a door replacement. From improving energy efficiency to enhancing security and curb appeal, replacing your doors offers numerous benefits that can transform your Clearwater home. With modern materials, stylish designs, and advanced technology, new doors provide long-term value, comfort, and peace of mind. If you're ready to enjoy the many advantages of door replacement, consult with a professional installer in Clearwater. They can help you choose the perfect door to suit your needs, style, and budget, ensuring a seamless upgrade that you'll love for years to come.